So, this is an update on my Titan table saw. So, the good and negative things about this table saw. So let's get to it. So, first of all, the sliding my. It's really good and steady. The only thing is it's got a little bit of play. You'll see. When you're pushing through the foot, you don't get the cleanest cuts because it can be off by a little bit. The other negative is that the stand is huge and it sticks out a bit more than I would want it to, especially when you're pushing a piece of thing out and it sticks out over the over, so as you're pushing along you can trip in the corner bits. Another thing that I love is the extended tables on the sides. It's amazing, and the back, because it allows for you to pass your work through and be more stable on the table saw. The nice gripping activity of this blade leaves a smooth finish on the cut pieces of wood. So I used a long piece of 2x4, this thickness, and I shaved it down, cut it down on the Titan table saw, and it works smooth like butter. Cut through it, and this is what I'm left with. I cut the strips to 1.5 or 15mm. Mark perfect. This is what I used for the side of my shed. It worked out perfect. I have got to say, once you get this lined up perfectly, it works really good. And the fence is really stable and does not move when you're cutting the wood. And it works really good. The second most amazing thing about this table saw is the height in which the blade extends from the top of the table. So get this up to the top, and how high the ripping capacity on this is. So they're near the top. So we're at the top, and it is amazing how much it comes above the table. And look how far it comes over, it's amazing. And I've had no trouble with passing the wood through and it squeezing on the blade, because this works amazing, the rise. Also, another nice feature is this dust extraction. So it has a nice dust extraction that just connects up to where the back one dust extraction comes out the back and through here. You just plug it into your vacuum. This also has a bevel which goes up to 45 degrees, and it also works perfect. I've used it once, but for what I've been using it for, I haven't really needed it. But it's a good feature to have. So, would I recommend this table saw? Oh yes, I would. It's amazing. It's good for the price, really good for the price. The best table saw I could find for under £100. and it's amazing, and the size of it is huge. You'd have never thought for paying £100 for a table saw you'd think that it was be this big, and it's amazing. So I've been using this table saw for a couple of months now, and I think it's really good.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, get ready to begin and just levitate.
So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you back next week for another video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.